Hello guys, good to see you once again. How are you? So today we're checking this out. We're trying to solve this equation here. So we have s equal ut plus at squared over 2. That's what we're looking at today. So what are we going to do to solve this? You see the term here 2? Well, it's dividing at squared. So what we want to do here is spread this 2 all over the terms. Now that we're going to multiply through. We're going to multiply through the terms. And there are 3 terms in this equation. So guys, at this point, you notice that we multiplied through by 2, as you can see. Now over here, you have divided by 2, multiplied by 2. Essentially, this becomes like 2 divided by 2. When you switch, the same thing. So the number here is 1. So 1 replaces 2. And this combination cancels out to give 1. Right? Well, so here we have 1. What do we do with this 1? Any number divided by 1 is still the same number. Or any variable divided by 1 is still the same number. So we're going to eliminate this one also. So next, the multiplication sign in here is a bit redundant. We don't need it here for now. So we're going to get them off so that we have our equation concise. So our equation now is concise. Oops, messed it up. Yeah, so our equation now is concise, as you can see. So here, we want to make A the subject. How do we make A the subject? Notice that all the terms here, this, and this, it's only here that we have A. So what we need to do is move this object away, and keep this object here. It's already positive, so it's better we keep it this side and move this object away. So here we go, this object has been. So now notice that we have negative here. And how did we get negative? Because 2ut came from this side across the equal sign and it changed sign. Note this, very important point. But now there's nothing to add on to at, so this is not necessary. So we move this away. So this is what we have here. So we have a can come this way, t can follow up, and then the square can also land a bit closer. Yes, to make our presentation neat and concise. Okay. So next we divide by t squared. Since we need only a, we have to divide both sides by t squared. So we have this side divided by t squared and this side divided by t squared. And as we saw earlier, you notice that this is t squared over t squared. This can cancel out. So finally, A is equal to all of this. So this is the final answer. A is equal to 2 in the bracket s minus ut, bracket close all over t squared. And this is acceleration based on displacement, initial velocity, and time. In fact, this is what we use to do animation. This is what animators use to be able to make things move around. And that's what you are seeing, all the movements in the video. Thank you, don't forget to subscribe and support the channel.